Welcome to How to Customize Your Box for Delivery. I'm going to walk you through what to do prior to your delivery if you'd like to swap box contents. So prior to delivery, you're going to receive an email that says time to customize your farm box for delivery. Within the email, it's going to show you what items will be delivered. If this looks great, you don't have to do anything at this point. If you'd like to swap items, just click the link that's in the email. It's going to bring you directly to your swap box contents page. You can note the time remaining here. This is how much time you have left to edit the box before it closes for delivery. Okay, so if you scroll down, it's going to list all the items that are in your box. You can choose to keep it in the box, or you can choose to swap some things out. And you can go through all of them if you want to swap everything. If you want extra squash, you can do that. Let's do collards here. Okay. All right, so those are all the items. Now you'll note on the left-hand side, we have a swap summary. So here it's going to tell you what item was in the box and what item you swapped with. You're going to also note that there is a dollar value attached to each delivery. And so if there's no additional dollar charge here, then you've stayed within that amount. It is possible that you can go over. In this case, it will show you what additional costs you would have. And so you would just get charged this extra 25 cents. If that's good, you can just click Save here. Okay. All right, so at this point, you can also purchase extras. So just click Purchase Extras here. And here is a list of everything that's available in addition to your box that you could add on. And it will have the prices here. So you can add, say I want 2 more bags of arugula. You can add that to your share as well. And you can just go through and continue to add those, and those will get delivered along with your share. If you would rather not, you can just click No Extras for me. Otherwise, just review Extras Order. All right, it's telling me what I've chose here, and then just click Purchase Extras. Okay. All right, and then prior to delivery, you're going to receive an email letting you know that your farm box is on the way, and it's going to list all the items in your farm box. And that's it.